Need a reliable way to reach high places? The best ladder for a 2-story house ensures safety and stability for all your tasks, from roof repairs to painting. Let's find your perfect fit. Number 1. Kidde Fire Escape Ladder. When it comes to emergency preparedness, the Kidde Fire Escape Ladder is an essential addition to any home. Designed for quick and easy deployment, this ladder is a reliable solution in the event of a fire. It attaches securely to most common windows, accommodating depths up to 11 inches and widths of 16 inches. Unlike traditional ladders that require assembly, this model comes ready to use straight out of the box, ensuring that you can act swiftly during an emergency. The Kidde Fire Escape Ladder boasts a flame-resistant and sturdy build, with the ability to support up to 1,000 pounds when weight is distributed across multiple rungs. The 1-foot-wide anti-slip rungs, made from high-quality zinc-plated steel, provide secure footing to ensure a confident descent. Additionally, the rails are constructed from red nylon straps, offering a firm grip for added safety. The tangle-free design allows for seamless deployment, eliminating any complications that could slow down an escape. One of the standout features of this ladder is its compact storage capability. It can be conveniently stored under a bed or in a closet near a window, ensuring quick access when needed. However, it is important to note that this ladder is designed for single use only. Once deployed, it should be discarded. Attempting to reuse it may compromise safety and lead to potential injury. With its robust construction, ease of use, and reliable performance, the Kidde Fire Escape Ladder is a must-have for any household. Number 2. Hausse Ladder. For those seeking a dependable fire escape solution, the Hausse Ladder is a top-tier option. Its robust design ensures that it remains securely fastened to the window frame or sill during an emergency. The retractable hooks must be fully extended on both ends for a secure fit, preventing any risk of slipping. No assembly or tools are required, making it a quick and hassle-free solution when time is of the essence. Built for durability, the Hausse Ladder features slip-resistant rungs that provide a firm foothold, allowing users to escape safely and efficiently. This ladder has been rigorously tested to support up to 1,000 pounds, making it a reliable choice for multiple users. It extends to 13 feet, making it ideal for second-story rooms and ensuring a safe descent to the ground. Storage is another area where this ladder excels. It comes with a red canvas bag, allowing for compact storage under a bed or near a window. To maintain its reliability, it is recommended to replace the ladder every 3 years. This precaution ensures that it remains in optimal condition and ready for use in an emergency. With its ease of deployment, strong construction, and thoughtful design, the Hausse Ladder is an excellent investment in home safety. Number 3. First Alert Ladder. The First Alert Ladder is a well-engineered fire safety solution designed for 2-story homes and apartments. Measuring 14 feet in length, it provides ample reach to facilitate a quick and safe escape in the event of an emergency. The combination of durable steel and nylon construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its weight capacity of 375 pounds allows for multiple users to descend safely. A key feature of this ladder is its steel stabilizers, which hold it away from the wall. This design element allows for a smooth and unobstructed descent, reducing the risk of entanglement or instability. The ladder comes fully assembled, eliminating the need for complex setups during high-stress situations. Additionally, it folds easily for compact storage, making it convenient to keep near a designated escape window. The First Alert Ladder is compatible with windowsills measuring between 6 and 10 inches wide, ensuring versatility across different home layouts. Number 4. Hausse Fire Escape Ladder. The Hausse Fire Escape Ladder is a must-have for households looking to enhance their fire safety preparedness. Designed for emergency use, it secures firmly to window frames or sills, preventing any risk of slippage. The retractable ladder hooks need to be extended fully on both ends for a proper fit, ensuring stability when deployed. One of the defining features of this ladder is its impressive 25-foot length, making it suitable for 3-story homes. With a weight capacity of up to 1,000 pounds, it can support multiple users, allowing for a safe and efficient evacuation. The slip-resistant rungs provide a steady foothold, ensuring confidence while descending. Ease of use is another strong point of this ladder. No assembly or tools are required, meaning it can be quickly deployed in an emergency. To maintain its effectiveness, it is recommended that the ladder be replaced every 3 years. It comes with a durable red canvas bag for convenient storage, allowing it to be kept under a bed or near a window for quick access. With its high-quality construction, user-friendly design, and strong safety features, the Hausse Fire Escape Ladder is a reliable choice for any home. Investing in this ladder means prioritizing safety and preparedness, ensuring that loved ones have a dependable means of escape during an emergency. Number 5. Little Giant Ladder. The Little Giant Dark Horse Ladder is a versatile, high-performance ladder designed to accommodate various tasks with ease. Unlike traditional escape ladders, this model is a multi-position ladder that can convert into multiple configurations, including a frame, extension, 90-degree, staircase, and trestle and plank setups. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice for homeowners, contractors, and professionals who require a reliable and flexible ladder. Constructed from non-conductive, high-vis green fiberglass, the Dark Horse Ladder offers superior durability while enhancing visibility in work environments. Safety is a key focus of this design, with a wide flared base that increases side tip stability. This feature significantly reduces the risk of accidents, making it a secure option for various tasks. The ladder meets or exceeds all OSHA and ANSI standards, ensuring that it is compliant with industry safety regulations. Rated as Type IA, it can support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Whether used for home improvement projects, construction work, or routine maintenance, the Little Giant Dark Horse Ladder provides unmatched reliability and versatility. With its high-quality construction, ergonomic design, and multiple configuration options, this ladder is a valuable investment for anyone in need of a sturdy and adaptable climbing solution. Whether tackling a DIY project or working on a professional job site, the Little Giant Dark Horse Ladder delivers performance and safety in one exceptional package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.